I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my planting journey. So you guys have seen the replanting videos I put of my aloe vera plants and mother-in-law's tongue. Guys, this is like a progress report basically. I'm going to be showing you guys what it looked like before when I first did it, and what it looks like now, how it has grown, how it has blossomed. And it's going to be like a quick story time basically of my life basically lately. So an update basically of what I've been up to, or going through, something like that. So let's just get into this amazing video. Now guys, I have some questions I would like to answer. And so basically the first one is, how did my planting journey like start basically? So it actually started with my mom. Basically, she loves plants. She loves aloe vera, mother-in-law's tongue. Then this one that has like thorns on it, I'm going to put the name on the screen. So she loves that as well. Then some other plants. At first I didn't really have an interest, but later I started like loving it basically. We started doing it together. The reporting videos that I put up on my channel, we did it together. We even researched on how to care for your plants and stuff like that together. And this was something we always had like together before she passed. So my mom passed in February. I've not like said it here on YouTube. So the journey has not really been a bed of roses basically. It's been tough. So it's been about 2 months now, yeah. And even when people say, oh, it gets better with time, hmm, I don't know if I believe that. So let me get to the next question so I don't start getting emotional. The next question is, what are my plans for basically now? I'm planning to like make them as desk plants. So for offices, basically just use them to decorate your house, your um environment, your surroundings, as desk plants, as mini plants and stuff. So yeah, I'm still like working on like the whole idea basically of what I want to do, exact thing I want to do basically. And yeah, when I'm done, I would definitely let you guys in on it. Now the next question is, if I were a plant, what would I actually be? So I always say this, I'm going to always be an aloe vera plant because aloe veras are really, really delicate, yet they are rugged. Like they can withstand any storm, any weather, hot, cold, positive, negative, but they're actually really delicate because any slight, you know, bend, they break easily. So I see that in me sometimes because I'm very, very like rugged when it comes to going through stuff and, putting up a brave face, smiling, being the happy person like in the room. But I'm still really, really delicate on the inside, and it's not easy sometimes, but you just have to like pull through. Life will throw you different things, good, bad, ugly, whatever, but you have to just still like push basically. Now, the final question I have is, how do I usually learn about, plants basically, and how to care about them? Now, first off, I read a lot about stuff like that. So things I have interest in. So like my sewing, this planting and crochet, everything that I'm basically into. I love to read about stuff on, blog posts of people who have um worked through the process before me. I also watch YouTube videos. Guys, YouTube is a great platform to like learn, unlearn, relearn, everything learning. YouTube is the place that you want to see first-hand knowledge of things. So that's why I even like started my YouTube channel, because I wanted to show people how things are done and not necessarily hoard information. I noticed some channels usually still hoard information, and sometimes if you even go for physical training of stuff, they actually hoard information. People that are into stuff like that, handmade skills, would know that yes, if you go for physical training sometimes, they heard, the information. But with YouTube, I can easily search for a video, and you know, even if this person does not give me the full information, I can move on to the next one, and the person will give me the information that I need in a snap. Like sometimes the video doesn't even need to be too long, so you can see a 10 minutes video that will teach you every single thing, 15 minutes video that will teach you every single thing that you need to learn, and sometimes even 5 minutes, 3 minutes video, and you will learn everything in a snap. That's why I started my YouTube channel, to teach people how to make stuff, how to do stuff, how to, you know, unlearn, relearn, and just learn basically as a whole. And guys, those are all the questions that I have right now. So if I have more questions, I'm going to answer them in another video. I hope you guys enjoyed the view of the plants and how they look right now. Yeah, if you would love to watch my reporting videos, and the video I did of how to create pots with plastic bottles. So basically your planters with plastic bottles. I have the video as well. I'm going to link the playlist. I have a playlist for plants and nature. So I'm going to link it in the description box so that you guys can go watch them. Yeah, so that's all I have for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment in the comment section if you have any questions. If you have any questions for me about the plants, I'm ready to answer you. Also join as a member on the channel, it helps the channel as well. Subscribe, and until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.